Huh? Ladies and gentlemen of the press, I welcome you all to FCT Police Command today to brief you on the command's readiness and the deployments ahead of the upcoming October 1st Independence Day celebration. The command has decided as a proactive measure to deploy our tactical teams as well as our conventional teams to ensure safety of those who will come out to celebrate the Independence Day. We are ready to protect you. We are ready to grant you your protection when you are acting within the ambit of the law. The FCT Police Command is poised to ensure normal safety for everybody. There will be traffic interceptions, there will be few stop and search we have to introduce because we have a lot of intelligence at our disposal that tomorrow, graciously, the federal government has declared tomorrow as a public holiday. So those who don't have any business for the celebration don't need to, can celebrate on your own. We are celebrating Nigeria's independence. We have a lot of intelligence at our disposal that some miscreants to be led or including members of the proscribed Islamic movement of Nigeria, wants to be on the streets. I want to say that because they have been proscribed, they don't have right of assembly, they don't have right of procession, and they don't have right of protest. So tomorrow we are going to ensure your safety, but we are going to readily wait for them and their groups who may like to foment trouble of any kind. We are ready for that. We will ensure safety. We will not shy away from our responsibility. If anybody decides to join the prescribed group, so be it. Thank you so much.